Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to remap any of the buttons on your Victrix Pro BFG controller with the Control Hub app on your PC. This is really easy to do. Once you have it connected, we go to Configure. Then the first option here is Button Remap. So down here, we can choose the original button we want to go ahead and map. So right now, cross is selected, so the X. Then go to the new button you want to remap it to. So we could go to cross to circle to square to triangle. So we can move this to any kind of different button right here. So just go through this list and you can adjust those the way you want. I wish there was like a mic mute button on here, but there's not. But we can go to the back paddles and adjust this now. So it looks like my B1 is off. It's the touchpad for some reason. Then we got analog 6, and then we have the triggers. If we really want to remap the triggers, we can. Just select this and we can change it to a different button. So if we want our trigger to be the, I don't know, the jump button, we can do that. And we can just switch it on over to like O or X and we should be good to go. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more technical videos coming up next on YourSixTech.